In this video, I will show you the settings where you can enable the search suggestion feature in the Shopify's Dawn theme. So first we'll log into Shopify admin account and then click on the online store. Then look for Dawn theme, in my case it's the latest version, 11.0. Then select Customize. Then on the left, click on the gear icon, which is the theme settings. And then scroll a bit down till you find the search behavior settings right here. As you can see, in my case, the search suggestions are enabled. In your case, if you don't have the check mark here, so ensure to enable it. And then you have another option. You can also enable the product vendor and then product price. And now let's go ahead and click Save. And as you can see right now, it doesn't show the vendor and price, it's just the product suggestion. Now, if I go ahead and refresh the page and type something like sofa, as you can see, it shows several products. There's a vendor name, XYZ INC, and the price. So this is all I want to show you in this video. I hope you found this helpful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.